HTML attributes. HTML provides additional information about HTML elements. So attributes provide the additional information about HTML elements. So what are the HTML attributes are? All HTML elements can have attributes. So all the HTML elements, they can have the attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag, like we have gone through the href tags and so. So attributes usually come in the name value pairs, like name equals to value. So these are the attributes that we will be including in the web page. So let's check out how these HTML attributes are, and we will be using them in the web pages as well. The lang attribute. The language of the document can be declared in the HTML tag. This is the lang attribute. The language is declared with the lang attribute. So lang attribute is used to declare the language. So declaring a language is important for accessibility applications, screen readers, and search engines. The basic motive to design a website is to popularize it onto the Google platform. And for that, there is a complete course of search engine optimization, that how you can optimize your search, what all keywords and meta informations you must be included in your header part, so that your web page or the website will be easily explorable, easily searchable when any anonymous user or any authenticated user tries searching for the information on the any search engine. So declaring the language is important for accessibility application, screen readers, and the search engines. So lang attribute, it is used as doc type HTML, that is it represents what type of document it is, and then HTML space lang equals to, in double quotes, en-us, which states that this is the language is English US. That is what the HTML attribute is. And then you will be having your head and the body tags. This is the lang attribute. Same is with the href attribute we discussed previously. So HTML links are defined with the anchor tag, that is a tag, and the link address is specified in the href attribute. The href attribute is used for defining the link addresses. The link can be inside the page also, outside the page also, outside the URL also, inside the URL also. Within the directory page as well, it can be any link, but it must be a link. Then size attribute is there. HTML images are defined with the img tag, as we have just explored. So file name of this source, the size of the image, the height and the width, all are provided as attributes. So these are the size attributes. The image size is specified in pixels. So width equal to 104 means 104 screen pixel wide. So these are the pixel representation. So HTML style attributes, where we will be using the CSS part. So HTML style attribute, it is the setting the style of the HTML element. It can be done with the style attribute. So we'll be using the style attribute, and the syntax for the same is tag name space style equals to property colon value followed by semicolon. So the property is a CSS property and the value is the CSS value. So we'll be using the style attribute when we will be using the CSS, and CSS is the cascading style sheets. So I will be using the p tags. Then with p tag, we will be using the style attribute like p space style space equal to color colon red. So I am red. So it will be displaying the text in the red color. Then the same, it is displaying in the color in the blue. Then font size, we can set different attributes of the text with these style attribute. So this is how the program output is. I am normal is in black, I am red, I am blue, and then I am big because we are use the font size over here. We'll be moving on with HTML background color. So if you want to set up the background color of a web page, so how you can do so? For that, we are having the style property as background color. So the background hyphen color property defines the background color for an HTML element. So this example, it sets the background color for the page to powder blue. So how to set, if you want to set the complete web page, or if you want to set a certain amount of the content to the background as some different color, then how you can select? So you can write the body style equals to background hyphen color and then border blue. So as you are able to see, in this program, you are dealing with the body and you are mentioning the style equal to background color powder blue. Check the syntax. You are having the semicolon at the end inside double quotes, and you are having this property, the property followed by a colon, and then which color you want to have for that particular property. That is the value of that particular property. So this all you will be writing in the style tag, and you are mentioning this style tag inside the body. So body scope is from here to here. So whatever you will be writing from this part, that is whatever you will be writing inside the body, for everything the background will be powder blue. In HTML, it matters a lot where you are writing and what code you are writing. So if you want to make the complete background as powder blue, you can mention it in the body. Later on, we'll be mentioning it in the CSS as well when we will be covering up with the CSS sessions. So this is the output that will be displayed when this code is executed, because h1 tag is there. This is the heading. So this is the heading will be displayed in powder blue color. So this is the heading that is being displayed in h1 tag. So h1 tag, it will be appearing in the bold. So that's why this is the heading is coming in the bold and in the bigger size. Then this is a paragraph with the paragraph tags. This is a paragraph is included in the paragraph format, and the background color for complete is set to be powder blue. Why so? Because these are lies in the body region. So these two paragraph and the h1, the content as well is there in the body part. So body color has been changed to powder blue. So it is the output for the program. Moving on with the HTML text color. In the previous example, we changed the body color, but what if you want to change the text color only, not the body color? So for the text color, you can use the style tag. So HTML, then body, h1, style equals to color colon blue. So you can check out with the program. Here we are not writing the style tag with body. We're writing the style tag with h1 tag. So complete body color will not be changed. Here we want to change this color, the text color. Earlier, we are writing only the H1 tag, but now we are giving the style to H1 with style equals to color colon blue. So color is a property which changes the text color, whereas background hyphen color is a property which is applies to the background. So if you want to change the background for this particular content, you can write the background hyphen color as well. The background hyphen color colon blue, that is the value. So this all text will be converted into that particular background. So here we are using color colon blue. So that's why the text color changed to blue. The same way applies to the paragraph tags as well. Paragraph p tag style equals to color colon red followed by semicolon, all in double quotes. So with this, the paragraph, the complete whatever the text will be, the complete paragraph will be there in the red color. So whatever the text you will be writing within the paragraph tags, all these properties will be applicable onto this content. And the scope of this property will be because this is with the p tag and here the p tag is ended. So scope of this property will be from here to here only. The same is with H1. Style tag is with H1. So scope of H1 will be from here to here because this is the ending of the H1. So after this, the normal color will appear, but here again you have changed the color, so it is in the red color, else the normal color is black. So that is how you can change the text color in the program. Then HTML fonts. The same way, if you want to change the font of the text, then you can use font hyphen family. Font hyphen family colon the name of the font that you want to have. This is a heading, so this is mentioned in H1 and you have set the font family as Vardhana. So this is a heading is having a font as Vardhana. The next p tag, p style equals to double quotes font hyphen family colon courier followed by semicolon. This is a paragraph. So this is a paragraph is set to be the font family courier. So when you execute this program, the output will be this is a paragraph in the courier format. So this is about the HTML fonts. Then the text size. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the text. So as you are able to see, H1 style equals to font hyphen size. So since this is the H1 tag, it is already in the bigger size. But what happens if you want to increase the size to more than what the H1 tag has? Then you can use the font hyphen size. So the tag value is font hyphen size colon 300%. So 300% means whatever the by default size of H1 tag is, it increased that to the 300%. So if the by default font size is say 20, 300% times of 20. So that is what is being increased for this H1 now. So this will be the output and this will be the text even more higher than the H1 tag. If you check out with the previous examples where you are writing simple the H1 tag only, then this is a heading is appearing in the size less than to what this is appearing. And this is because we have used the style tag in HTML and we have used font size, which is a property in which you can set up the font size, what the size of this text you want to have inside your document. So font size, that is the property to set the text size. So colon and then the value. For every property, the syntax is property colon value. The same is with the p tag as well. Style tag equals to font hyphen size, that is the property, then colon and then the value 160% and then the semicolon followed by double quotes. So this is a paragraph. So this is a paragraph is written in the font size. And what is the font size for this is a paragraph? Whatever the normal paragraph font size is, that size will be enhanced by 160%. And then this text will be displayed onto the console output with the enhanced format, with the enhanced text size. So this is what the output of this program on the console window. Then next is HTML text alignment. Text alignment is if you want to align the text, you want to align the text towards the left, you want to align the text towards the right, or you want to align the text towards the center. So for that, this property is there and it defines the horizontal text alignment for the HTML element. So you can horizontally manage the text, whether you want to display this towards the left hand side, right hand side, or the center. Even this works with the headings, this works with the paragraphs as well. If you want whole paragraph to be inside the center, you can do so with this property. So how to use this property? H1 style equals to text hyphen align. Make sure you enter the correct property value and the property name. Like text underscore align will not work. So text hyphen align, that is the property name, colon, then what the value you want to put. If you want the text to be displayed on the left hand side, put left. If you want to display on the center, put colon center, and then whatever text you want to display, that is the centered heading, and then the heading tag is being closed. Because this text align center, the scope of this will be starting from H1 tag till the ending H1 tag. The same thing for the P tag as well. P style equals to text hyphen align colon, where you want to align that particular text, whether on the left hand side, whether in the center or in the right hand side. Then centered paragraph. Centered paragraph is the text that you want to display. It can be any text, it can be even combination of lines as well, even the combination of multiple characters, thousands or even more characters as well. So whatever is being there inside the p tags, that all text will be aligned towards the center using the text align. We will be using these all text properties for aligning the text, for formatting the text, and all these things. So there are plenty of properties, and these are very basic. You will be covering the properties, and even you can explore more properties according to your requirement in the web pages. So whenever you will be designing the website, or you will be working on with the web page, and if you want to have certain specific property, like strong is also a property, strong and bold text both work somehow the same, but representation of both are the same, but the compiler part is a different. Strong, it emphasizes on the strongly on one single part, but bold, it simply bolds the text. So if you view the text, both look the same, but at the back end, you can have the compiler to understand your code, understand the web browser to understand your web page. For that, there are different tags. So there are plenty of tags which you can explore at your end as well. Then next is HTML formatting elements. These are the elements that are used by you to format your web pages. So HTML also defines special elements for defining text with a special meaning. So it uses elements like B and I for formatting output. B is the bold, I is the italics. You must have used text editors like MS Word. In MS Word, we are having bold, italic, left, right, all these options are available. The same way for HTML, everything is there in the tags. The HTML is the hypertext markup language which deals with the tag completely. So formatting elements are designed to display special types of text. So what are these? Like B tag is there. So you must be having the starting and the ending tag. Starting you put B and at the end you put /B. So whatever text you will be writing within the this tag, that all text will be appearing in the bold. Then italic. For italics, if you want to display the text in italics, use the I tag. Then marked text. If you want the text to be made as a marked text, you can use mark and then the /mark. Then small. If you want to write the text in this small text, very, very small, then you are having the small tag for the same. Else the text will be appearing in the normal format. You can use the small tag to appear the text in the small text. Then deleted text. If you are reviewing something, reviewing any document and you want that certain text to be removed out and you want that to be highlighted to the certain person, then you can use this tag where you want to have del and /del. Whatever you will be writing in these tags, that text will be deleted out. So it will be showing you that remove this particular text. So del tag is there for the deleted text. Inserted text, ins. So whatever you want to insert, you can write out using the inserted text and the same text will reflect as this is the new added text in the document. Then the subscript and superscript. So for that, you can have the subscript, that is sub tag, and superscript sup tag. Make sure you use the correct tag. If you want to write the subscript, you are using sup, it will not work. It will be superscript then. For subscript, you need to mention the sub. Whether you mention it in the capital, whether you mention in the small, it hardly matters because it's a case insensitive, but it's good if you mention all the tags in the small letters. So these are the formatting elements. So let's have certain examples of these tags. So here we are having body tag and inside body we are using the paragraph tag. So earlier we have used only the paragraph tags, but now we are enhancing it further as well. So paragraph tag is there and then after the paragraph tag we are having the B tag. B tag is there which signifies that this is the text which is to be written in bold. So this is the paragraph tag and paragraph tag gets started over here and inside the paragraph tag we are having B tag. And whatever is mentioned within the B tag, this is the closing B tag. Whatever text is mentioned within the B tag, that text will be displayed on the screen but in bold. So B tag started and then B tag will be ended first. P tag started before B tag, so P tag will be ended after B tag. Make sure to regarding the starting and the ending of the tags. The same way Here we are having the paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag we are using the italic tag I. So whatever text you are writing out in over here inside the starting and the ending italic tag, that text will be displayed onto the screen in italics. So italic property as well as the paragraph property both will be applicable on this particular text. The same way on this text bold as well as paragraph, both properties will be acting over here. So it will be displayed in the paragraph format and it will be bold. So if you want to highlight something, you can use bold tag. If you want to use italics, you can use italics as well inside the paragraphs. Then p tag, this is the combination of tags. Like this is, it's a normal writing. So this is normal writing. Then subscript tag is being started and ending. So whatever is being written in the subscript tag will be displayed as a subscript. So this subscript is being displayed as a subscript in the output. And that is the end of subscript tag, and then and will be displayed in the normal format because no tag is there. So and is displayed as this is displayed. This is the normal platform. And then superscript, and whatever is there in superscript, that is superscript. So super, it started with the superscript tag, it started from here and ending from here, and whatever is being mentioned, that is being displayed over here as a superscript. And then this is the start, this is the end, this is the start, this is the end. So whatever tag is being started, that is left over is P. So we are closing now the P tag. So this will be the output for this particular script. Make sure the order in which the tags are started, the reverse order, the tags must be closed. We are having HTML mark element. So mark element, if you want to mark something, like in this example, we are having H2 HTML and then mark element is there. Mark element is there, and this mark element is started and the ending tag, and the text in between is in between the mark element is marked. So marked is being highlighted in yellow, like you are having a highlighter. It defines the mark or highlighted text. So whenever you want to highlight anything, you can use the mark tag. So this is the H2 tags, the starting and the ending tag. So this all text is displayed in H2 format, the heading tag. Then moving ahead, we are having del, delete. So delete element defines deleted or the removed text. So whatever the text is being deleted or the text is being removed, that defines by del. So if you check out with the program, it says del element defines deleted or removed text. Then p tag is there. The delete element represent deleted removed text. It's simple a paragraph format. So it is displayed normally as a paragraph. And then again the paragraph format is there. My favorite color is, but now this is deleted text, del and the /del. So what is there inside this deleted text? That is blue. So you can check out, blue is being represented as a line over here because this is a deleted text. And then red is the paragraph tag. So red is displayed as it is. Just check where the scope of this deleted text is from the starting to the ending, and this applies to every tag like the paragraph tag, the starting and the ending. After the end, whatever you are writing, that is not being covered into this tag. So this is the output. My favorite color is, this is the deleted text and then the red. So deleted text is highlighted by del element. Then ins element, it defines the inserted or the added text. The same way as we did for the deleted text, this is the reverse of it. So ins, it defines inserted added text. So here we are having p tag, and p tag, the inserted element represent inserted or the added text. So this is a normal line, so it is displayed normally on the screen. Then p tag, my favorite, and then this is the insertion tag. So color is being inserted. Whatever text you want to insert, it's not necessary that it must be a single word. It can be a sentence, it can be a paragraph. So color is being inserted. So color is being highlighted, means it's underlined. So color is being underlined, and what this signifies is that this is the inserted text, the newly inserted text. Rest all text remains the same. So this is the output. My favorite color is red. And this is all in paragraph tag. Then HTML comment tag. So if you want to have comments, if you want to understand a program and you want to have certain points that you need to add with the program. Suppose this is your program. Here you have written certain program. And then you want to write some text over here that what this program is all about. But if you write it as it is over here before the start of the HTML tag, that is doc type / doc type HTML, then it will prompt you with an error because this / doc type HTML will be the first line in the file. Then if you write these all text inside this after the first line, that if you think of that, okay, this is the first line, okay, fine, then I will be writing out this particular line and I will write all what I want, the keynotes to understand this program after this line, so that at least the program can execute. But whatever you write after this will be displayed on the output window as well. So that also solves, that also do not solve your purpose. So whatever best is, you write anything anywhere, but make it a comment. Like if you want to write the understanding or your notes regarding the program before the program, you can do so. Just make all this as comment so that your this colon this exclamation doc type HTML must be the first line of the program. Then all this will not be executed or read by the compiler because you have made it as a comment. So it will be there in the file, but it will not be displayed on the page. So how to do so? For the starting comment, you need to put less than exclamation minus minus. So this you need to put at the starting. So this signifies that from here the comment has started. And at the end, you need to put minus minus greater than symbol. So this is the ending comment and this is the starting comment. So from start to end, whatever you mention inside this, whether it's a single line, whether it's multiple line, whether it's a numeric or so, all will be commented out and this complete part will not be executed by the compiler. So there, this part will be there in the program, but you will not be getting anything such information on the web page. So in this way, you can include your comments as well in the program. You can include your name, you can include your roll number as well in the program. Even you can have the better understanding of your work as well, or you can explain your work, what the program is and how the program is working out, what all the input parameters are, what is the output you are getting out when you run this program. So that part can be covered as a comment or whatever you feel like if you want to create the notes of each and every step that is being covered in this program. So all the notes will be taken as the comments. And these comments can be anywhere in the program. It's not like you can place the comments on the top before the start of the program. No, you can place one comment over here, you can place one comment over here, you can place one comment over here, you can place as many comments in the last as well. So you can have multiple comments. It's not necessary then that one file is having only a single comment. There can be multiple comments in one file, but make sure you must use the starting tag and the ending tag properly. If you start a tag over here and you want only this to be the commented out, then you must stop over here as well. But if you forgot to stop over here and you stop over here, then starting tag is this and ending tag is this. So starting to the ending, everything will be commented out, including your program as well. So just use the tags properly. Just use the starting and the ending tags properly so that whatever the things you want to show and how you want to show, that is being clearly understood by the web browser. So that is what the HTML is. It is used for the designing of the web pages. How you want to design, how you want to display the content onto the web browser, how to align the photographs or the images, how to align the text, whether you want to have the text align left, right, or center or so, how you customize your pages as well. So that is all this HTML is used for. So this is the HTML comment, the comment tag in HTML. So try practicing more questions of that type so that you can get an idea about how the things work and how all it goes with PHP.